Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss on two-sum problem as part of array series of solving the problems. So in general, two-sum problems in a given array, we have a array and we have a target value. So we need to check there is a existing pair of two which sums up to target value. For example, in example number one, we have 0, -1, 2, -3 and 1 as a input array and target is 2. So is there a two sum? Yes. So if we sum up -3 and 1, it will give you -2. So the -3 and 1 of the last two integers sum are the pairs we should return. In the second input, we have an array of 1, -2, 1, 0 and 5 and the target is 0. We have a integer of 0 in array, but it is one integer. We need uh, two integers to be summed up. So here there we cannot sum up any two integers and hence we will be returning false. Now moving on. We will now look into how do we implement this in a practical way using Java language. So I have created a two-sum class and I have also created public static void main and created an input and I have created a calculate two-sum which is of parameters input array and then the target. So input array is 2, 7, 11 and 15. So I am calling calculate array and I am setting a target of 18. So when we sum up 7 and 11, it will come up to 18. We will be returning the index of these two values. So the result will be a resultant array of values, either the index or the values. So let me directly deep dive into the coding. First, we create a variable low of initial size um, 0 and we create a variable of high with input array of length as and -1 as its value. Now we create a resultant result array of integer. We'll consider it has two uh, size. Now what we'll do is we will have to loop through this array until when the low is less than high. So this is our initial setup. Um, yeah, what we will do is now what we will do is we will what we will first check is we will have a temporary variable value with which will at the present low and high. So if the value is equal to target. Now in the first iteration with low as array index of 0 and high as array index towards its right end, and if it matches the target value we will be returning low and a high. Okay, now what happens if it is not present? if value is not equal to target, what we will do is we will check whether the value is lesser than target. In that case, what we will do is we will increment on the lower end. Else, we will increment on the higher end, decrement on the higher end. Okay, so we will return int of by default what we will return is this. So if we don't find the result, we will just simply return -1 and then the -1, which means it is not found. And I think we can will not be needing this initialization so that it would be efficient. Now we'll try to run through the file. So what we will do is, yeah, so it returns 1 and 2. So 1 is 7, 0 is 2, 1 is 7, and 2 is 11. Index, it returns index of 2. Index of 2 is 11, index of 1 is 7. 7 plus 11 is 18. So we got the desired result. So now, what will be the space and time complexity? Time complexity will be order of n, because we are using a while loop and looping through the with low and high almost the entire array, and then the space complexity will be order of 1. So we are not using any additional space, and we are only using method level variables. So that's all for this specific problem. Please do comment in the comment section if we have any better implementation and discussions flowing through. Thank you for watching this video and have a very good day.